Always tired, struggling to get through the day, always cancelling plans because you just don't seem to have the energy. All the best intentions of going to the gym are useless if you can't seem to get out of bed. Or perhaps you're short-tempered and cranky with the kids no matter how much sleep you get. I understand. I've been there. In fact, it wasn't long ago I was just like this. I used to suffer from all these issues. I'm here to tell you, you can turn this around, but there's no quick fix. But there is a way forward. There is a proven system of small, incremental steps that can help you get out of your rut and back to living the vibrant, exciting life you've been missing. We call these steps habits. I know what you're thinking. This is obvious, Loz, and you know what? You're right. However, there is a trick in making habits stick, and in my job as a healthy habits coach, I guide people just like you back to vitality, one healthy habit at a time. Like a car without fuel, our bodies need the right nourishment to work to their best potential. And that's why I want to give you my 40 healthy menu tips with shopping lists and recipes. These are my tried and tested secret tips that I use every day to fuel all the things I do in my busy schedule. You'll feel great, less sluggish, and have more energy than ever before. You'll be able to concentrate longer with greater focus. And believe it or not, your mood will change too. And I am giving this to you for free. So, let's make a change today. Let's commit to becoming the best you know you can be. More positive, more hopeful, more energetic. Let's do this. Click on the link to grab my 40 healthy menu tips right now and start your healthy habits journey with me. Ready? Let's go.